They've made some good progress. It's a huge chicken coop. So this will be the actual coop part. This is the indoor run. And then once they get this to the point that they can open it again, this will go so that they can go outside. So Boyo has come to try and help Pop. Oh, did he already pull everything down? Oh, yeah.
That's all the stuff
Yeah,
behind.
it's hops that were grown over there. Oh, anyway, hopefully we're able to get some wire up and get this finished up in here. You're it's bending here. Just hold it like that. It's gonna be so cute with paint on it and.
Oh my gosh. It's gonna be tough to paint with the chicken wire on the outside. Though.
She did it at the other house.
Did she?
Yeah.
Just paint it over.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yep. A little roost bar going across and hemp in here, sand out here, and then eventually they can go out to the yard once they get the door reframed in and a little fence out there. It'll be cute.